Hello, my name's Curtis Ford. I'm the service manager here at Apple Ford. And today I want to tell you exactly how to bring your vehicle in for service and make the transaction very smoothly. When you pull in, you want to come to the two big bay doors. And when you pull up to those doors, they will automatically open. You want to go to the one that has the least amount of cars in it. And then one of my service advisors will come out and greet you and get you taken to the proper side that you need to be in. The second thing with that is if you're coming in after hours, door that's going to be to the left when you're pulling in, that door has a night drop envelope box. You want to fill that out, and then the service advisors will reach back out to you in the morning. Don't want to come to the dealership? No problem. We got you. We will come to you and pick up your vehicle in the comfort of your home where you don't have to leave. We will come pick you up, pick up the vehicle, bring it back to the dealership, service it, and when it's completed, we'll bring it right back to you. If you would like to schedule this, you can always go to www.appleford.com. You can set up your appointment there, and always, you can feel free to call me, Curtis Ford at Apple Ford, 443-539-1269, or email me at cford@appleford.com. I look forward to seeing you.